In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube banner in Canva. Whether you're starting a new channel or refreshing your brand, this quick walkthrough will get you from a blank screen to a polished banner with zero stress. First, head to your main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen you see when you log in, with your recent designs and a navigation menu. At the top left, click the Create button. This opens a search field where you can find the exact canvas you need without guessing sizes. Type banner into the search. In the results, you'll see the YouTube banner template, sometimes labeled YouTube channel art. Click that. Canva will open a new design that's already sized for YouTube, so you don't have to worry about dimensions. YouTube banners display differently on TVs, desktops, and phones. So here's a helpful tip. Keep your important text and logos within the center area of the canvas. That's the safe zone that shows up on all devices. If you place key elements too close to the edges, they might be cropped on smaller screens. Now you can modify and create your own banner. You can start with a blank canvas or choose a pre-made style on the left to jumpstart your design. Change the background color to match your channel's vibe, or use a high-quality image that supports your theme. Add your channel name using a clear, readable font. Pair a bold headline font with a simple secondary font to keep things clean. Make sure there's strong contrast between your text and the background so everything is easy to read at a glance. If you have brand colors, apply them consistently to text, shapes, and accents. Use the alignment guides to center your title and keep spacing even. Consider adding subtle shapes or gradients to guide the eye toward your main message without clutter. Less is more with banners. Focus on a memorable title, a short tagline if you have one, and maybe a single visual element that represents your content. You can bring in your own photos or logos, or explore Canva's library for graphics that fit your niche. Scale images proportionally and keep them within the safe area. Zoom in to check sharpness and zoom out to see how it reads from a distance. Canva saves your work automatically, so you can take your time and tweak until it feels right. And that's it. From the dashboard, to create, to searching banner, to clicking the YouTube banner template, then customizing it to reflect your brand, you now have a professional banner ready for your channel.